Hey, right, that's it. I've had enough. I've had enough of playing too small. I want to walk, and I've been inspired, and for the last couple of days I've been thinking, what am I doing? I'm playing too small. Don't get me wrong, I've been building some good foundations, but it's time to go higher now, and I've decided that my new aim is 100%, minimum, I want to be there for next year. I want to hit the 7 figures in a year on Amazon. And if I have to do it on other platforms as well, I just mean, e-commerce sales in general, but it's probably going to be from Amazon. I've just been playing it too small. I've just been thinking to myself, what am I doing? Don't get me wrong, I love how things are going, but now I feel like once you've proved a business model to yourself, once you know it works, it's just a case of deploying, more obviously persistence, but then adding just more products to it, more marketing, and then just scaling it up, adding the systems in place. And I feel to myself, I've proved to myself it works. I've proved to myself this business model works, and now it's time to think bigger, act bigger, and get bigger results. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm aiming for 7 figures for next year. Obviously it's going to be a big challenge, but I want to do it. I want to be at the 7-figure mark next year. So those of you who don't know, obviously that's £1 million in sales, UK pounds, not dollars. So yeah, that's my aim. That's my aim. I want to do 7 figures next year. I think it's possible, 100%. The challenge is going to be the outsourcing, scaling up my team. But I want to do it, and I'm excited to do it, and it's going to be, it's going to be well worth, obviously, the challenge. And also, more importantly than that, obviously, not just the figures, but it's making sure the system's outsourced, making sure that the brands are getting good momentum as well, so that they can have a long-term presence in the world, basically. That we can grow them brands off Amazon as well, and websites and Etsy and things like that. So yeah, really excited, but I wanted to just share that. So that's my goal for next year, 7 figures in the year, and it's going to be, it's going to be an exciting journey. So yeah, wish me luck. Let me know how you're all getting on below, and I'll speak to you soon.